Hi, this is Jan. I was doing a card for my doctor, and a sweet guy, and I wanted to include a little mask in the card for him, like that. And so I wanted to show you how I did it because I thought it would be appropriate right now. So I did oval dies. These are Hero Arts, the 18 nested oval dies. This one is not quite 1 3/4. They're not, the cut on them is not an exact size according to what, and me holding it up to the ruler. This is 1/8 inch double stick tape, and this is 1/4 inch white ribbon that I got from Michael's for 50 cents a spool, which is a deal, and I love getting my ribbon from there. That's one of the best deals they have. My ribbon I cut to 10 inches. Then I fold it in half. And that gives me 2 5-inch strips. This is some mint cardstock I had. I cut it to 1 1/4. Then you take the corners first I want to do it from corner to corner like this. You can't see my machine, it's off camera. It really never moves from that spot except for on our monthly classes, so yeah, it's just off camera. So there's the first cut. Once you get the first cut, how you continue the rest of the way with it is run the tips up to the top of the die. And there you have your mask blank. I cut that one a little bit off, but 6 1/2 dozen of another by the time you get the tape on it. Again, set this up for the second one. By the time you get the ribbon on it, you're not going to see that it's cattywampus like that. And just keep going down the sheet till you get all you want cut. So you take this piece, run your double stick tape around the curve, kind of figure out where your middle is. Run it along the edges. There's your mask. Then you can take, this is a Signo, it really doesn't have a size on it. This is a Signo Angelic color white uniball pen. And those masks have reinforcement. In the middle and on the sides. And then these little lines that I'm drawing here are actually folds that the mask pops out with. And there you go. Got a little surgical mask. So, thought this was kind of timely. Figured I'd give you a little quickie on this, and thanks for watching, and no one's told you they love you yet today. I do. Thumbs up. Thank you.